This video is intended to demonstrate the chronic issues that we continue to have with our 2022 Hyundai Sonata Limited, where the 12-volt battery dies after the car has been parked for a short amount of time. These issues only started occurring after we got the car back from Universal Hyundai of Orlando, where they had repaired a different issue with the car's speaker system. As you can see in the table, we have 3 instances of the car dying while being parked for a normal amount of time, ranging from 3 to 7 days. Next, we have an invoice from the last time we picked up the car from the dealership on September 9th. The car was then driven home, parked in the driveway, and then it died 5 days later on September 14th. Next, we have a photo of the dash that was taken on September 9th to show the mileage and the status of the car when it was parked. I've got a couple of videos showing the discovery of the car being dead and the process of getting back in and restarting the car. And then finally, a photo of the car's dash after the car was successfully restarted. It is the evening of September 14th, and the Hyundai Sonata 22 Hyundai Sonata Hybrid Limited has died. I first noticed this because the red security light on the inside of the car is not on. So we were looking at the interior of the car, and there is no red security light. It would normally blink by now. Also using the clicker. Clicking unlock. You would normally see the car's lights flash and hear the car beep. It is not doing that. It will also not lock. You can know the clicker is working because the light's flashing on it. So nothing. So now we're going to unlock it manually. I need 2 hands to get the key fob out. Okay, got the key out. Now I need to figure out how to get this plastic piece off the door. Okay, I'm gonna break this. I need to go get help figuring out how to get this thing off. Alright, we are back out here. I was unable to get the door open, so Dad's done it a few times, so he's gonna try and get the plastic piece off in order to access the interior lock. So there's a lot of risk here of breaking the plastic piece. Alright, there we go. Okay. So you can see how clunky it is to try and get inside the car using this emergency mechanism, which becomes necessary weekly with this particular Hyundai, or in this case 5 days. So easy, Hyundai. Do you have the key or no? I've got it, so you need this, I think.
Yep.
There you go.
Thank you.
Yep. Alright, so let's start it back up.
And move.
Yeah, alright, so yeah, you press, just to be clear, this is completely dead. Even while pressing the start button, it does not turn on. So yeah, good to show that. Alright, so now jump it off. Just what you want at night in your neighborhood. And then here we are. You can see the mileage is the same as where it was left after getting back from the dealership 5 days ago.